Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video tutorial on how to properly utilize in-text citations within your research and how to create a citation through one of the citation generators in the university library. So first of all, I'm going to come down in here and I'm going to pretend that this sentence is actually a quoted material. So the first thing I want to do is I want to add quotation marks around my borrowed information. And the next thing you're going to do is add an in-text citation. So I'm going to need to go back to my article, and I need to know the author's last name and the year of the publication. So here it's telling me that Romo is the author's last name and it was written in 2012. So then I'm going to go back into my document. I'm going to add the author's last name and the year of the publication, and it's as simple as that. That is your in-text citation basics. If you don't have an author, you're going to simply use a shortened version of the title of the article or source. You know, if it's a really long title, you're going to want to shorten it. If it's brief, under 40 characters, you can utilize the entire title within your in-text citation. So that's basically that part of it. And next we need to know, how do we actually make the full citation for our reference page? And to do that, we're going to want to utilize one of the tools in the Ashford University Library. So here's our home screen in the library, and we're going to need research help. So I'm going to choose that option, and I want citation help. And then I'm going to just choose Noodlebib Express. There's two tools here. One is RefWorks, and this is an online bibliographic management program that allows you to create a database of your references as you work on a particular project. So this is also a super strong tool to use as well, but I'm just going to today show you Noodlebib Express. So I'm going to click on that. And here's our home screen. And we always want to make sure that we choose APA. And then now it's asking me, well, what kind of citation do you want to cite? And today we're going to use a newspaper article. So we're going to choose that and create citation. And it's just a simple newspaper article. So we're going to choose that. And it's online. And it's just the article. So I'm going to click next. And then now it brings us to this fill in the blank kind of screen. So all I'm going to do is flip back and forth between my source and these boxes and fill in the information. So first of all, I need to know the title. So I'm just going to select that, and then I'm going to enter it here. And I want to make sure that all of my capitalization is proper and conducive with APA formatting. So I'm going to fix that really quick. Okay, and actually I put this in the wrong box, so I'm just going to move it. We want to know the name of the newspaper, and this is CNN. And I believe it was US. Okay, so the first name of the author, we're going to look at that, and it's Raphael Romo. And then I'm going to click add, and that's the only author, so I only need to do one. Next, it's asking for page numbers, and since it's an online journal, there are no page numbers. It's also asking for an alternate description of the section, and this does not apply to us, so we're going to simply leave those areas blank. So now it's asking for the date, February 27th, 2012, and I'm going to choose that. And then I'm just going to continue to go through each of these boxes and determine if I actually have that information or if I do not. If I don't have it, again, you just simply leave it blank. So the next thing it's asking for is the URL. So you're going to copy that and paste it in. And then that's all the information we have. So we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Generate Citation, and here it is. And so all you do is select it, copy it, and then come back to your Word document, go to your reference page, hit enter and paste it in. And as you can see, it does not have the correct formatting when you copy and paste it here, and that's going to happen to you every time. So you need to be really careful and learn how to properly format these after you've gotten them in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you're in alphabetical order, and for this demonstration I'm not going to worry about that. So once you've done that, then you're going to select all of your sources at one time. So typically you would just select everything. Not your title, excuse me. Didn't want that in there. So I'm going to select everything, and then I'm going to make sure that I have Times New Roman, 12-point font, and I want to be double spaced. And I'm going to need to apply the hanging indent. So I need to come into the paragraph pop-up box and choose hanging by 1/2 inch, and I want to make sure it says 0 points before, 0 points after, and double spacing, and then click OK. And that has completed that for us, and I'm just going to remove that space. And for some reason this did not want to do my hanging indent, so we'll do that again. I want hanging by 1/2 inch. Usually that doesn't happen, so there you go. Now you're all properly formatted, and that's basically it. So if you have any questions, let me know.